जल लीजिए। थक गए होंगे ना समर सनस्क्रीन ढूंढते ढूंढते, but not anymore because I am back with all of these sunscreens, internet favorite sunscreens to help you make a better decision on which one to buy this summer. Hi, I'm Pratisha and I'm mostly talk about skincare, hair care, beauty and everything that comes in between. And in this video, we are going to talk about all the summer sunscreens. So let's get started. Okay, so the first one in my list is this Aqualogica Glow Plus sunscreen. It is an SPF of 50 and PA of 4 pluses. Let's talk about the filters. Now the filters here are zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. Also, the ingredients here are vitamin C, papaya, and hyaluronic acid. Now, vitamin C is helpful for skin brightening, as we all know. Papaya is also helpful for brightening the skin, and hyaluronic acid, as we all know, it helps for hydration. So, the combination looks great. And in Aqualogica, basically, this was the first sunscreen they launched, and I really like the sunscreen since the start. So, this is a good sunscreen. Let's talk about the texture. The texture is very light, water based. It's a water based sunscreen, and it feels very light on the skin. Also, it feels very hydrating. The formula is very hydrating, and it, as the name suggests, Glow Plus sunscreen. So yes, it gives such a dewy and glowy finish after applying. Also, the sunscreen doesn't have any fragrance, and it also protects from blue light. Now, blue light is the light which comes from our phones or laptops, so the sunscreen also protects from blue light as well. Also, it suits every skin type, whatever is your skin type, like dry, oily combination, every skin type, it suits every skin type. For reference, I am an oily acne prone skin person, and in summers my skin is too oily and too acne prone as well, and it suits me very well. So yes, if you are of any skin type, it will suit you. It retails for rupees 449 for 50 grams of packaging and rupees 599 for 80 grams of packaging. Next one is again from Aqualogica. It's Dead Dewy Plus sunscreen. It has an SPF of 50 plus and PA of triple plus. The filter is titanium dioxide, and the main ingredients are watermelon niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. Now, watermelon we all know is known for its cooling properties, its hydrating properties, and then niacinamide. Now, niacinamide is known for the control of oil production and pores, and hyaluronic acid is again for hydration. So all of these are the main ingredients of the sunscreen. The texture is very lightweight and it absorbs so quickly into the skin, and the sunscreen is like it's very fluid like sunscreen, so it absorbs very quickly and it doesn't even feel that you are applying any sunscreen because it is so light, and it gives such a dewy finish, such a radiant finish to your skin. If you talk about the fragrance, it doesn't have any fragrance, but in Aqualogica, in this particular range of watermelon and niacinamide range, the pink range basically, I have tried the niacinamide serum, and the fragrance, I don't know, it's not a fragrance, but it's some kind of chemical smell in that. I didn't like the smell at all of that serum, and that same smell is in the sunscreen, but it's not that overpowering as compared to the serum. So that's one thing, but I really like the sunscreen. Like, it's so good, so good. And this one also protects from the blue light, and it retails for rupees 449 for 50 grams of packaging and rupees 599 for 80 grams of packaging. Now the next one we have is again from Aqualogica. Now this is their Illuminate Plus sunscreen. Now this is the, like, I think this is the latest from their sunscreen collection, and I really wanted to try this one just because of the color. I love purple, lavender, and all sort of like violet, all these colors. I love them, and I just wanted to try that because of the color. But oh my god, for my surprise, like, the name is Illuminate Plus sunscreen, and yes, it does the work. It really illuminates the skin. And okay, so we'll just talk about the SPF. The SPF is 50 plus, and it has PA of 4 pluses. Okay, the filters here are zinc oxide and titanium oxide, and the main ingredients here are wild berries, alpha arbutin, and hyaluronic acid. Now, wild berries are antioxidant which helps to brighten the skin, and then alpha arbutin, as we all know, it helps to lighten the dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and then we have hyaluronic acid which again helps for hydration. Now, this sunscreen also wins for its texture. The texture is very lightweight and it absorbs so quickly into the skin, like just in a matter of seconds, and it gives such a hydrated and luminous finish to the skin. And Aqualogica really give the names, like the perfect names to their sunscreen, because the sunscreen does that work. Okay, like this is Illuminate Plus sunscreen, and it leaves the skin illuminated. This one also does not have any fragrance, and this one also protects from the blue light, and also it suits every skin type. So if you are of any skin type, you can use it. But I really think that oily skin people will love this one because obviously it is very lightweight, and it also retails for rupees 449 for 50 grams of packaging and 599 for 80 grams of packaging. Now the next one is Dermaco 1% hyaluronic acid sunscreen. Now this one is my all-time favorite sunscreen. It is an SPF of 50 and PA of 4 pluses. The filter here is titanium dioxide, and the main ingredients are hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. Now hyaluronic acid, we all know it's meant for hydration, so yes, it is a very hydrating sunscreen. And vitamin E is anti-inflammatory, so it has anti-inflammatory properties as it has vitamin E, and vitamin E also has some of those soothing and hydrating properties. Now the texture of this sunscreen is also very lightweight. It is also one of the quick absorbing sunscreen. Now all of these sunscreen have the same texture, maybe because I love all these textures, but yes, and that's what you want or need from a sunscreen, right? Like it should absorb quickly, because you don't want to rub it all over your face and just wait for 10 minutes or something. So yeah, this also absorbs very quickly into this. It's very hydrating. It's give a very hydrating finish. Also, it does not have any fragrance. It suits every skin type, and it also protects from the blue light. It retails for rupees 499 for 50 grams of packaging and rupees 649 for 80 grams of packaging. Now the next one we have is again from Dermaco. It's their 1% hyaluronic tinted sunscreen. It is an SPF of 60 and PA of 4 pluses. Now why I ordered a tinted sunscreen? Because I have this problem of acne scars and dark spots, and tinted sunscreens are helpful for these dark spots. The filters are zinc oxide and titanium oxide. There is 26% of zinc oxide and 10% of titanium dioxide. Now tinted sunscreens are helpful for those who have this acne scars and dark spots problem, because tinted sunscreens, like, they have zinc oxide in that much amount, right? And zinc oxide, what it does, it helps to not get those dark spots more darker, you get my point, right? So tinted sunscreens are helpful for that, and that's why you should choose a tinted sunscreen if you have dark spots and if you have acne scars. So tinted sunscreens are very, very, very effective for that. The main ingredient is hyaluronic acid. So hyaluronic acid is good for hydration, and the sunscreen is very hydrating as well. Like, it gives a hydrating finish, and it also gives a matte finish, and the tint is also very good. It will suit every Indian skin tone. Now this is also a very lightweight sunscreen, and it absorbs very quickly into the skin, and it also suits all of the skin types. So if you are someone with dark spots, blemishes, so you can definitely use this sunscreen, so that it will protect more from the sun. Okay, and this one retails for rupees 499 for 30 grams of packaging. Now I know this one is expensive, but I think it's a good investment if you are if you are having this dark spots and the blemishes problem, because I can see the difference on the daily usage of this sunscreen. At least whenever I am going out and whenever I am in harsh sun or something, I definitely use this sunscreen. The next one is from Dr. Sheth's. Now I am so late to the party, because I always thought that Dr. Sheth's sunscreen are the hydrating sunscreen. So I thought they must be heavy on the skin and they will not suit my oily skin, but I was so wrong. And finally I tried, and I'm so grateful, I'm so thankful that I finally tried that. And yes, the sunscreens are so good. So the first one I have is this Dr. Sheth's Ceramide sunscreen. It is an SPF of 50 and PA of triple pluses. So the filters are zinc oxide and titanium oxide, and the main ingredient here is ceramide. Now it has 1% ceramide complex, and I don't think I need to say anything about ceramides, because ceramides are all over the place, are all over the internet, and we all know that ceramides are so good for our skin barrier, for to repair our skin barrier. So yes, if you want to include ceramides in your skincare, then you can get this one as a sunscreen, ceramide as a sunscreen. And it also has 2% of vitamin C, which helps to brighten the skin, and it also has 1% of hyaluronic acid for hydration. The texture of the sunscreen is creamy, but even if it's creamy, it absorbs so quickly into the skin, and it feels so good. If you don't want to apply any moisturizer, like, you won't even feel the need to apply any moisturizer if you apply this sunscreen. So if you are that lazy person, or if you are in a hurry, so you will just need to apply this sunscreen and you are just good to go. This is the one step skincare for you in the morning, and it's a very very good formula. I just love this. I just love this. And maybe because I love ceramides so much, because I love ceramide moisturizer so much, so maybe that's why I also love the formula of the sunscreen and the feel of the sunscreen, because I feel that skincare is not just about, I know that obviously the ingredients and everything are important, but it also about the feel, like how you feel on applying that particular product. And I feel so good about this sunscreen. So yes, that's a very 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 good sunscreen. Now it gives a very moisturized and dewy finish on the skin, and this one also protects from the blue light, and this one also suits every skin type. So whatever your skin type is, this is going to suit you. I think dry skin people would love this because it has ceramides and it moisturizes your skin so well. But that's not it, because oily skin people can use this as a moisturizer, because they won't need any moisturizer if they apply this sunscreen, because this has such moisturizing properties in it. So yeah, it's good for everyone. And also Dr. Sheth is a vegan brand. Now I forgot to mention, but Ecologica is also a vegan brand. And Dr. Sheth, like this sunscreen, these particular sunscreens are not pregnancy safe. So they also mention this in their website as well. So if you are pregnant, then this sunscreen is not safe for you. Okay. Now this one retails for rupees 499 for 50 grams of packaging, and rupees 699 for 80 grams of packaging. Now the next one is also from Dr. Sheth. It is their healthy hyaluronic acid sunscreen. It is an SPF of 50 plus and PA of triple pluses. It has the filters of titanium oxide and titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. Now the main ingredients here are 1% hyaluronic acid, and hyaluronic acid is meant for hydration, so it is a good hydrating sunscreen. It also has 1% of turmeric extracts. Now we all know turmeric, haldi is so good for our skin. It is anti-inflammatory. It is an antioxidant which helps to brighten the skin. Like, I don't think I need to specify benefits of haldi, so you all know, right? Now the texture of this sunscreen is very unique. It is a mousse kind of sunscreen, like that whipped cream texture. It has that texture, and it feels very good on the skin, very hydrated, and it absorbs very quickly into the skin, and it gives such a hydrated finish, plus it gives a matte finish. So hydrating plus matte finish. And this one also suits to every skin type, and this one also protects from blue light, and this one also is not pregnancy safe. So if you are pregnant, then this is not safe for you. It retails for rupees 499 for 50 grams of packaging, and rupees 699 for 80 grams of packaging. Now let's move on to Dot and Key. The first one I have is their vitamin C plus E sunscreen. It has an SPF of 50 plus and PA of 4 pluses. The filter here is titanium dioxide. Now the main ingredients here are triple vitamin C. It also has Sicilian blood orange, and it has vitamin E. Now vitamin C is, we all know, it helps to brighten our skin. It also has blood orange, which is an antioxidant which helps boost collagen. And then it has vitamin E, which is anti-inflammatory, and it has soothing properties. Now texture of the sunscreen is very lightweight, as it is a fluid sunscreen, and it absorbs very quickly into the skin. It gives such a glowy dewy finish as well, and it also suits to all the skin types. So, and I think that oily skin people would love it, because obviously it's a fluid sunscreen, and oily skin people would obviously love anything that is lightweight on the skin. So yeah, that is this one is good for all the skin types. And this one also has a water resistance, like this is water resistant up to 80 minutes. Okay. And this one retails for rupees 445 for 50 grams of packaging, and 595 for 80 grams of packaging. The next one is again from Dot and Key. It's their watermelon sunscreen from the pink range, and it has an SPF of 50 plus and PA of 4 pluses. Now the filter here is titanium dioxide, and the main ingredients are watermelon, hyaluronic acid, and beetroot extract. Now watermelon is known for the cooling properties, the hydrating properties. Now hyaluronic acid is also for hydration, and then we have beetroot extract, which help in the better absorption of vitamin D. So the good vitamin D will be absorbed into your skin. Now this one is also a very lightweight sunscreen. It absorbs very quickly into the skin, and it feels like a gel. It gives a cooling sensation on the skin. Plus it gives a matte finish as it is meant for oily skin people. Now this sunscreen is meant for oily skin people, but I really feel that normal and combination skin people will also love this one. This one is also fragrance free and water resistant up to 80 minutes, and this one retails for rupees 445 for 50 grams of packaging and 595 for 80 grams of packaging. Now the last one we have today is Dot and Key Sunstick, the strawberry sunstick. It has an SPF of 50 and PA of triple pluses. The filter here is titanium dioxide and the main ingredients are strawberry, which is antioxidant rich. Then we have hyaluronic acid, and then we have ceramides as well in this sunstick. Now why a sunstick is important, because if suppose you are outside and you can't reapply your sunscreen, you can't just open your tube and do this outside. So sunstick comes handy because they are so useful and they are so mess free and hands free. So you can just take out the stick and you can just apply like this anywhere, anytime. I mostly use this while traveling when I'm outdoors, and this one is so good. Like, this is my first sunstick and I'm so happy with this one. Now this has an invisible finish. So why it is invisible? Because when if suppose you are having your makeup on and then you are applying the sunstick, so it will not move your makeup, so it won't give you any white cast or anything. Like, you won't feel that you are applying something on like above your makeup, so you won't feel heavy. And I apply this too often and I really like this one. And I felt that before buying a sunscreen stick, I felt that if I apply the stick on my face and like on that face, I will feel so heavy and I will feel that, oh my god, there's so much on my skin, and I felt that my skin will feel congested, but that is not the case. So if you were on a hunt of a sunscreen stick, so you can try this one, because this one comes for 20 grams of packaging, and it comes for rupees 595. So I feel that this is very affordable as well. And if you want to try out a sunscreen stick, then this one is a very good starting option. This one is also suited to all the skin types. It is fragrance free, and this one is also water resistant for up to 120 minutes. So those were my recommendations for all the sunscreen this summer, and not only summers, but make a note of this: you need to apply sunscreen each and every day, be it summer, winter, any weather. And I hope this video helped you to make a better decision on which one to buy. And if it helped, then please let me know in the comments. Also, if you have any more queries, then comment them down. I'll be happy to answer them. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more such informative videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.